Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Once again, myself Narendra sir in front of you from KGK Higher Secondary School. Since last so many days, we were learning English grammar. We have learned already two parts of direct and indirect speech. In the first part, we have learned the general rules and its ideas and its concept. And now, in the second part, also we have learned the general rule, change of tense and all other things. Now today, friends, we are going to start with the same topic, direct and indirect speech, and part third of our online lecture. Last time I told you that total 5 types of sentences are converted into indirect speech. These 5 types of sentences are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, and optative sentence. Among these 5 sentences, today we are going to learn indirect speech of assertive sentence. So let us start the topic with the blessings of Almighty God. Let us start, my dear students. See over here, everyone. Indirect speech of assertive sentence. Assertive means affirmative plus negative. Both the sentence will come into it. So affirmative and negative is equal to assertive sentence, right? Now here in this type of sentences, we have to see the first thing, that is change of reporting verb. Okay, what kind of changes you should do while you are doing the indirect speech of assertive sentence. So see here, everybody, a change of reporting verb. Where we are putting the reporting verb? So between reporter and listener, we apply reporting verb, right? So for example, here see the word say, reporting verb say is given. So we will write say as it is in indirect speech. Then says is given, so we put says as it is in indirect speech. Then say to is given, so that turns into tell. Say to turns into tell. Then says to turns into tells, because if s is given here, so we also put s over here. So this up to number 4, these all are the reporting word of present tense. Which tense, beta? These are the reporting verbs of present tense. Then the remaining next 2 reporting verb are there, that is said and said to. So said remains as it is said, and said to turns into told, right? So whenever to comes after the reporting verb, whenever to comes, then only we'll think about the change. Otherwise we put reporting verb as it is. So said and said to are the reporting verb of past tense, students. And when reporting verb of past tense is there, so we must do change of tense in indirect speech sentence, that we have already discussed in the previous sessions, right? So once again let us repeat. Okay, say turns into say, says turns into says, say to turns into tell, then says to turns into tells, then said remains said, and said to turns into told. So this is all about the changes of reporting verb while we are changing the sentence into indirect speech. ओके बेटा, अब कंजक्शन की हम बात करते हैं. तो आफ्टर पुटिंग रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब एज वेल एज द लिसनर, when we remove the inverted comma, so after removing the inverted comma we have to put the conjunction before we turn indirect, and here we put the conjunction that. Which conjunction we put over here? That conjunction we have to put while we are making the indirect speech. Moving towards the example that will become better for you, that will clear your mind and concept. Yes, let us see here beta. Mahesh said to Maya, you are my best friend. Okay, बिल्कुल slowly हम जाएंगे, easy to understand, silently. Okay, Mahesh is our reporter. Maya is our listener. Said to is our reporting verb. And as I told you, the sentence given in inverted comma is called reported speech. Means reporter ने बोली हुई speech means reported speech. Okay. So Mahesh is our reporter. Let us write as it is Mahesh. Then said to turns into told. So in place of told, in place of said to, we apply told. Mahesh told. Who is the listener? So Maya is the listener. So Mahesh told Maya. Okay beta, इतना हो गया. Now conjunction. So which conjunction we are putting over here? That conjunction. That is our conjunction, right? Now check this reported speech. अब खास रूल आपको यहाँ पे दिमाग में रखने हैं कि you are my best friend. Okay. Earlier I told you कि you and your used for listener, and I, me and my used for reporter, right? So here the subject you is there, and this you is used for listener. Who is the listener? Maya is the listener. Yes. So in place of you we apply the pronoun she. What is our subject we are applying? She. Okay. Now check it कि भाई change of tense. What kind of change of tense we are doing? So if Amizar is given, so Amizar turns into was were. So she was. Now the next point, that is my. I, me and my used for reporter. Okay. And who is the reporter? Mahesh is the reporter. So he is the boy. That's why she was. In place of my, we apply his best friend. Right? So once again, let us see. Okay, we put the reporter Mahesh. Then in place of said to, we apply told. Then we put listener Maya. Then we put conjunction that. In place of you is used for listener. Maya is the girl. That's why instead of you, we are applying she. Change of tense, reporting of past tense. So change of tense, Amizar turns into was were. With she, we apply was. Now, I, me and my used for reporter. So Mahesh is a boy. Okay, if I is given to we put he, but my is given to he turns into his best friend. Okay, student. Chalo. Moving on to the second example. Okay. Karan said, I did not join for video meeting yesterday. Then comma and then it is written Kavya. Okay. तो आप वो सोचोगे सर सेड के बाद तो लिसनर तो दिया नहीं है, तो लिसनर कहीं छुपा हुआ है. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि भाई करण ने कहा, मतलब करण इज द रिपोर्टर, बट Who is the listener? Kavya is the listener. See, Kavya is given here. Okay, and what is the reporting verb? Said is the reporting verb. But whenever reporter and listener both are given, so at that time we have to understand it is as a said to ही समझना है. Only reporter is given, so we apply said into said. But when reporter and listener both are given, so we have to think in our mind as a said to. Okay, chalo, so let us write the answer. See, who is the reporter? Karan is the reporter. Chalo, in place of said to, we apply told. Who is the listener? Kavya is the listener. Okay. Now conjunction that. चलो बेटा, अब I, me and my used for reporter. Who is the reporter? Karan. So in place of I, we apply he. Did not means simple past tense. So earlier I told you that did not turns into had not. Okay. So remove did not and put had not. Now if had is given, so after have, has or had we always put third form of verb. So he had not joined. Join turns into joined for video meeting. Chalo, yesterday turns into the previous day. The previous day. Full stop. So let us revise. Okay, Karan, in place of said to we put told. Listener Kavya. Conjunction that. In place of I, we apply he. Did not turns into had not. Join, third form आएगा joined. For video meeting, yesterday turns into the previous day. Okay बेटा. Next point is there. Gandhi ji said, truth always triumphs. अब यहाँ पे in assertive sentence you should keep in mind कि any natural rule, any scientific rule, any proverb which is given by great people, this all things we put as it is. No change we are doing. No change or tense, nothing. Because scientist says कि भाई the sun rises in the east, तो sun east में ही rise होगा, फिर वो west में नहीं होगा. It is a universal truth. The universal truth हो, mathematics के rules हो, proverb given by any great scientist or any great personalities or people, that all remains the same. We do not do any change into it, right? So for example here, Gandhi ji said, truth always triumphs. सत्य का हमेशा विजय होता है. तो इसमें हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते असत्य का विजय होता है ना भाई. That remains as it is. So what we are writing, which is the reporter? Gandhi ji is the reporter, right? चलो, listener नहीं है तो खाली said remain as it is said. Remove comma and inverted comma and put conjunction that. After that the remaining sentence as it is. Truth always triumphs. Full stop. And we remove inverted comma. Such kind of sentence you have read. The same kind I have written over here. Scientists said the earth revolves around the sun. पृथ्वी इसके आसपास घूमती है, सन के आसपास रिवॉल्व होती है. बराबर. तो इधर अपने लिखेंगे here also scientific rule is there. So we do not make any change of tense over here. So scientists said that, what we'll write, the earth, फिर इधर revolved नहीं होगा, only whatever is given the same we are writing, revolves around the sun, full stop, and we remove comma and inverted comma. Okay beta. Now the last sentence see over here, and that is Mitesh says to Maya, we are too much happy today. Now which reporting verb is given? Says to. Which is given over here beta? Says to. And says to turns into tells. Says to turns into tells. So first we put the reporter, and our reporter is Mitesh. In place of says to, we will apply tells. किसको बोला? Listener. तो माया. Conjunction we apply that. Okay बेटा. अब एक चीज ध्यान में रखना, मैंने सिखाया था कि when subject is we, तो we turns into they. T-H-E-Y. They. Now you are thinking that sir, Amiza turns into was where. But here check the reporting verb. The reporting verb is given in present tense, and that is why no change of tense. So they are too much happy. Today turns into that day. They are too much happy that day. Right, beta? So this is all about our assertive sentence. So what you should do at your home, you have to take the screenshot of this board, and you should write the whole examples in your notebook, grammar notebook, and send it to me on my given WhatsApp number. I hope that you all the students understood this topic in a very well manner. So keep practicing at home, revise the grammar because it is like mathematics. So revise it at your home. Be happy, be safe. Thank you. Bye bye.